Okay. Anyway, we just learned how to upcount this stuff. Okay, simply just giving the pulse to the CU. Here you can see CU, that when giving the pulses to CU, that will be upcounting. So what is the reset? Reset, everybody knows about the reset. When the reset is isoload 2 input, I am going to pulse it on and off. And we just reset the counter into 0. If you want to reset the counter, we can hit the R. And what is S? Okay, what is S? That will be, I'll be showing during the down counter session. Okay, so anyway, so it's the up counter, and I just want to go and get the output. When 5 pulses are there, I want to get the output. That's why I'm using counter comparators or comparison blocks. You can see comparator operations right here. I'm taking the comparison, and the counter will be working like if it reaches 5 counts or reaches above 4 counts, I need to get the Q0 or the output on. For that I have 6 different types of comparators: equal to comparison, not equal to comparison, greater than and equal to comparison, less than and equal to, greater than and the less than. 6 different types of comparisons I have here, and I'm going to use one of this, that will be greater than. I'm using the greater than comparison because if the count value is greater than 4, I get the output. So I'm using in between the output and the counter, that will be greater than. I can switch the greater than symbol from here also. I can change it, whatever. So here is asking a question mark here. So this question mark will be defining what kind of thing is using inside the comparison block. So it's the counting values or the count values. The count values will be in the numbers, because 1 count, 2 count, 3 counts, no 2.5 counts, only 2 counts. So 1 pulse, that stands for an integer value. Integer value, that means the numbers. So I'm using the int for that. After selecting the integer, what to compare? So I need my count value. The count value will be storing in this memory location, that is MW0. When MW0 is greater than 5, we get the output. So I'm just giving the MW0, which will be greater than, that will be provided on the second thing, greater than 4. That means if it reaches to 5, greater than 4 means reaching the 5, that I get the output. So just going through, hit loading, and going to run online mode. That's it, and we got this. And you can see on the first pulse, without this comparison block, when first pulse is on, we're not getting the output. So I'm just giving the first pulse. It's up to the comparison block. It's blocking the output towards the output. Okay, that's actually blocking the output towards the coil. See, the count value is 1. It's storing the count value in the MW0. That MW0 is provided to the greater than comparison block. That will only provide the output to the right side until if it is greater than the number provided below, that's 4. If it is greater than 4, that will provide the output. 1 count, and giving the second count. Now it's 2 counts, here also 2, and providing the third one, no output. Fourth one, no output, because it is greater than. If that goes greater than, again fifth count, we get the output. So that's how we taking the output of an up counter. Okay, so that's the counter comparisons or the counter comparators.